79% discount from Hostinger. If you use my link, you will get an extra 20% discount automatically applied. No, you can save around $38 using my link. Now click in the description, click on it. Now first of all, click on the claim deal button. Once you click, you will see different hosting plans. These plans can vary depending on your country. Now let's quickly understand the plans. The first plan is premium plan where you get 75% discount. Next we have the business plan with 79% discount from Hostinger. And finally the cloud startup plan where you get 71% discount. Now let me select the business plan. After selecting the plan, you will notice something interesting. If you use my link, you will get an extra 20% discount automatically applied. No need to enter any coupon code. Now at the top, you need to choose the duration. Now go ahead and search for your domain name. If it's available, you will get it free for 1 year. After that, check your order summary. You can save around $38 using my link. Now click on continue. Create your account by entering your email and set a strong password. Then fill in your basic details like your name, country, zip code, and phone number. Finally, complete the payment and you will be redirected to your Hostinger dashboard. And that's it. Your hosting is ready to use.